What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to find out derivative of square root of 4x squared plus 8 minus x squared to the power of 2. So for solving this question, we need to find f prime x. For solving this question, we need to use chain rule differentiation. You know, when we are dealing with chain rule differentiation, we're gonna say, for example, if you have u to the power of n, if u is a function of x, the derivative will be n times u to the power of n minus 1 times u prime. So pretty much we have the same situation here. Instead of square root, I'm gonna have to the power of 1/2, so 4x squared plus 8 minus x squared to the power of 2. That's f of x. So it's going to be 1/2 times 4x squared plus 8 minus x squared to the power of 2 to the power of 1/2 minus 1 times 4x squared plus 8 minus x squared to the power of 2 prime. So that's going to be 1/2 times 4x squared plus 8 minus x squared to the power of 2 to the power of negative 1/2. And here derivative of 4x squared is going to be 8x plus derivative of 8 minus x squared to the power of 2 is going to be 2 times 8 minus x squared times negative 2x. So when you simplify it, it's going to be 1/2 times 4x squared plus 8 minus x squared to the power of 2 to the power of negative 1/2. Then you have 8x plus you have 2 times 8, 16 times negative 2x is going to be negative 32x. Then you have negative 2x squared times negative 2 is going to be plus 4x cubed. Then when you multiply it by 1/2, it's going to be, when you simplify it, it's going to be 4x minus 16x is going to be negative 12x plus 4x cubed divided by square root of 4x squared plus 8 minus x squared to the power of 2. Why is square root? Because this one is negative 1/2, so we make it in positive when you bring it in denominator, and positive 1/2 we change it to square root. So that's going to be the final answer to this question. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. I will leave some related videos and playlists in description in case you need extra practice questions. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You can have access to many other videos regarding differentiation, integration, physics and chemistry. Thank you for watching and have a great day.